Right here in this video, I'll show you how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus that you can get and start trading with. Right, all you just have to do is to watch this video carefully to the very end so that you'll not miss out from this. Alright, so if this is your first time of coming across this particular channel, please do also hit that like button and share this video to as much people as you can so that they can also benefit from this. Alright, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel because that is where I drop updates first before coming to YouTube. So let's dive right into how you can get this particular $100 no deposit bonus. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to register an account with them, and you know the drill. Just input your details and every other thing, and don't forget, ensure you use my referral link. Alright, so just input your first name, last name, your email address, and your phone number, and your country, and every other thing required. Right, and after doing all of this, you'll be required to verify that you are human. Alright, and just input the answer right here and then click on verify, and it is going to direct you to the next step. Now when you get here, you can choose to do this later or do it right now, but I'm going to do this later, so I'll just click on do this later. And this right here is their home page. You can take out your time to go through their home page. As you can see, their platform is very sleek and it is straightforward and direct. Alright, so the next thing you have to do right now is to click on this earn $100 right here. As you can see, earn $100 tradable bonus, and these are the things you need to do to be able to get this. You just have to do 4 things. Alright, and I'll show you how you can do them. So the first one is to connect your Telegram. Just click on connect Telegram right here, and so after connecting your Telegram, you can click on verify, and as you can see, click on, and after verify your Telegram, verify this YouTube as well, and also the WhatsApp community. Now this is the last one. This is going to be coming by August 20, and all you just have to do is to attend this webinar. Right, once you attend the webinar, you'll be able to get this $100, and it is going to be live in the next 3 days. All right, in the next 2 or 3 days. Now today is 17th, and by the 20th of August it is going to be live. All right, so you can also join their Telegram channel to know every single thing that is going on there, to know when the update is going to be dropped, and a lot more about this particular platform. All right, so this is just everything you need to know about this particular $100 no deposit bonus, and I hope as soon as you are seeing this, you are getting this to your advantage. All right, ensure you go and get yours already, because this offer is not going to last long. All right, it is going to end soon, so ensure you get yours and secure your slots already. All right, like I said earlier, don't forget to join my Telegram channel because that is where I drop updates really on how you can make money online in 2025. All right, so check the description for the link to join my Telegram channel, and also to check out this particular no deposit bonus. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.